What's up guys, and so we just created our guard and admin controller, and our login is working. Okay, if you just go to our admin controller once and just redirect to back dashboard, and if I just log the user again in, and you can see it is being logged in. Okay, now we need to group our routes using the admin path, admin prefix. Okay, so to do this first we need to say route, and then the prefix that we're gonna use is admin, and then group them. Okay, the same, I'll use the function, and then I'll put all the routes inside admin, and I'll comment this out. And say admin routes. Okay, and for front routes we will use this for front end or front end routes. Okay, so that's it. I think for our routing plan is completely ready. Now you need to admin slash, that would redirect us to admin slash dashboard, admin slash products, admin slash orders, all this stuff, right? Okay, so you also need to take care of your controllers, I mean the blade files. For example, if I just go to my NF controller, for example, I'm using the dashboard controller, okay, and orders controller. Now I need to use admin prefix here. You should take care of this. Okay, you should use this again, admin slash orders. Okay, product controller as well, especially in the redirect part. Okay, I just don't want to waste your time here to redirect this stuff, but you should take care of these. Okay, that's very important, otherwise your application might not work properly. I'll just pause the recording and I might do them, but you should take care of these stuff. Okay, for example, if I just go to my edit blade, and this is like, for example, these areas especially, you should take care of this. Okay, you should, when you're using, for example, product, order, or any URL, you should add the admin prefix here. Okay, so if I just go now to my admin area, so if I just say admin, that's it. Okay, and admin slash orders, there we go, admin slash products. And if I just click on add products, now you can see it's not working because again the prefix problem. We need to go to our redirection parts. You should do this because I don't want to waste your time here. So in the next video we might work on our authentication part, or I'll try to, because this video is not long, so we will don't try to put all this other stuff in this video. So in the next video will be part on authentication, how to protect our controllers or protect our routes using the guards.